fine. Where do you live? Oh, very close.
All the police running on the train. Mate, they're doing something but fucking watch it. Because it's really doing that. They're going for someone on the train. But after that, I'm just... all the police running on the train. Mate, they're doing something but fucking watch it. Because it's really doing that. They're going for someone on the train. But after that, I'm just... They're all running to the front of the train. Right down the end of the platform. I reckon these are still on the train, right? They're all down there, look. Nah. Look, they're all down at the front of the train. I can't, mate. That's what because I don't pay for the premium account. I think they're going in the front of the train now. I've got a proper shaky arm. Why have they all gone running down there, right?